My name is Dr. Reem Kakish. I'm from Canada, Ontario, and I attended this ITC seminar in Santo Domingo. It is a great course. Previously, I placed around, I would say, 15 implants, and I always needed that boost or confidence to place more implants. So by attending this seminar, I got the opportunity to place many implants, to do immediate placement, extraction followed by immediate implant placement, and also I did the intra-crystal sinus lift. It was a great experience. Definitely I feel I have the confidence to go back and place many more implants in the future. Thank you ITC seminar for all the support that you gave me.
Aquí tenemos a la doctora Reem, okay, ella viene de Canadá.